Yes, good morning, children. So, this is a literature part. Okay, so in literature part, third lesson. Got it? The wisdom in carrots. Okay, the wisdom in carrots. Wisdom matlab knowledge. Okay, so the knowledge in carrots. So, let us see what the knowledge. How the knowledge in carrots. So first here it is given the warm up picture. Okay, so one question is asked. Just read the question, and in online session I'll just answer for this. Okay, yeah. So first let us go for the new words. Okay, so first read the new words by heart date. याद में रखना है न्यू वर्ड्स एंड इट्स मीनिंग्स को याद में रखना है सो दैट इट विल बी इजी to understand the lesson and for exam also it will be easy. ठीक, yeah. So first one is stunned. क्या है? stunned. stunned मतलब very surprised. stunned मतलब very surprised. सरप्राइज मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला है ना, पहले भी बोला था सरप्राइज. सो इन योर बर्थडे यू डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट, लेकिन your friends or your relatives, they are sending you a gift or they are visiting you, that वो surprise है ना, तो that is called as surprise. or you didn't expect anything, any gift, लेकिन your parents are gifting you something big like a mobile phone or video games. If they gift like you, it will be surprise for you ना. so वो surprise है, तो very surprised. थंडर्ड क्या है? थंडर्ड मतलब शाउटेड वेरी लाउडली. थंडर्ड पहले लेसन में ही मैंने बोला था. थंडर्ड जर्नी, शिप का जर्नी, तब बोला था ना थंडर्ड. तो व्हेन इट रेन्स इट विल थंडर इन द स्काई, ह्यूज साउंड विल कम इन द स्काई बोला था ना. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज थंडर. एंड यहाँ जोर से चिल्ला रहे हैं ना, तो वो भी थंडर. ठीक है, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड थंडर. यहाँ इन दिस इट इज कॉल्ड एज शाउटेड वेरी लाउडली. ठीक, या. सो द नेक्स्ट इज प्रेजेंट. वेरी इजी. प्रेजेंट, ठीक है. प्रेजेंट मतलब पुट समवन इन प्रिजन और जेल, बोथ सेम. ठीक है, बोथ द सेम, प्रिजन और जेल. सो प्रेजेंट मतलब पुट समवन इन प्रिजन और जेल. insult, say or do something rude. insult, say or do something rude. rude मतलब in a harsh way, in a harsh way, in a bad way. okay, and the next is curiously. what is this? curiously. curiously मतलब as if wanting to know more about what someone is saying or doing. ठीक है, saying or doing. तो if someone are talking, you will have the curiosity to know no कि वो क्या बात कर रहे हैं. you will have that curiosity, no, that is. तो आपको you will think no, yes I have to know. that thing is called as curiosity. got it? curiosity. जानना चाहते हैं ना कि वो क्या बात कर रहे हैं, that thing is called as curiosity. harvesting. next is harvesting. तो harvesting मतलब cutting or collecting crops that are fully grown. ठीक है, आपको एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड मालूम है ना, तो इन एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड व्हेन अ क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन वी विल कट दैट. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज हार्वेस्टिंग. पास्ट फॉर ब्रेथ. पास्ट फॉर ब्रेथ मतलब स्टॉप्ड आफ्टर स्पीकिंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम बिफोर स्टार्टिंग अगेन. ठीक है, तो यू आर टॉकिंग फॉर अ हाफ एन आवर. okay, then for 1 minute you will be silent, then After again you are starting, that is called paused for breath. ठीक है, paused for breath. See, stopped after speaking for a long time. बहुत ज़्यादा बात कर रहे हैं, then you are just waiting for a 1 minute or 30 seconds, again starting to talk. ठीक. Constant मतलब to do something continuously, you know, no, continuously without stopping. So someone will also talk without stopping, continuously बात करेंगे ना, तो continuously. तो constant मतलब continuously. Okay, yeah, that's it. Our new words ends here. इसके बाद the lesson starts. So let us go for the lessons. Very interesting. ठीक है, it was very interesting. Let us see. After spending a few months in India, Nasruddin Hoja, okay, name is Nasruddin Hoja. Nasruddin Hoja returned to Turkey. So this is the name of a place, you know, no? So here in this first line, two names are given. Name of a person and name of a place. ठीक है, ये name of a person है, name of a place है. Nasruddin Hoja, Turkey. ठीक है. After spending a few months in India, Nasruddin Hoja returned to Turkey. He rested at home for a while and then set out to visit the king and tell him about his journey. As he was leaving the house, Hoja's mother asked him to buy some carrots on the way home. Since he was quite forgettable, she gave him a piece of paper with the word carrots on it. ठीक. So क्या हुआ? So after few months in India, so in India this Nasruddin, he was in India for few months, for some months. Few months मतलब for some months. He was in India. After that he returned to Turkey. Again he went to Turkey. So when he returned to Turkey, he rested in home. He took rest. ठीक है, he took rest in home for a while मतलब for some times. ठीक है, for a while मतलब for some times he rested in home. Then बाद में he went to visit king को देखने के लिए. ठीक है, तो he went to visit the king and tell him about his journey. तो journey के बारे में बात करने के लिए he visited the king. As he was leaving the home, Hoja's mother asked him to buy some carrots on the way home. ठीक है, when he started to go out, no, when he started to leave the house, होजा का मदर ने बोला you buy and come some carrots को लेके आने के लिए. ठीक है, some carrots, to buy and come some carrots. On the way only it will be outside, in the roadside it will be. ठीक है, since he was quite forgettable, quite forgettable, so often he will forget. Quite forgettable मतलब he won't keep in mind, in memory he won't keep, he will forget. She gave him a piece of paper with the word carrots on it. तो ही इज़ फॉरगेटिंग ना, इसलिए उसका मम्मी ने, ठीक है, मम्मी गेव अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, स्मॉल पीस ऑफ पेपर दिया था. उसमें तो कैरेट ऐसा लिखा था. ठीक है, कैरेट लिखा था. तो व्हेन होज अंडरस्टूड, सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू रीड. तो दिस इज नो, इफ आई टेक फुल लेसन इन हिंदी मतलब इट विल बी लाइक अ ट्रांसलेशन क्लास. वो इंग्लिश का क्लास नहीं होगा, ट्रांसलेशन क्लास होगा. तो एक्चुअली I'm just saying few words. I'm translating you in Hindi also. But see, you have now you are in 5th standard, and again next if you go for 6th standard, see teacher will take mostly in English only. तो आपको मालूम होना चाहिए, ठीक है, एटलीस्ट 60% आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. लेकिन यहाँ मैंने देखा है 20% भी आपको नहीं मालूम है. इंग्लिश तो आपको 20% भी नहीं मालूम है. क्यों? तो आप नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं ना. इन होम यू हैव टू स्टडी. इसलिए मैंने कितना हाउ मनी टाइम्स आई हैव सेड यू जस्ट रीड मतलब यू आर नॉट हैविंग द रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस. फर्स्ट you have to read in a home book. See, now this video is there, no? So first this video you have to see, then you have to read the book, or else first read the book then watch the video. लेकिन यहाँ मैं explain कर रही हूँ और I am reading also, तो ये आपको it will be easy for you. So first you watch the video, first video देखो, then read in the book, then attend the online session, so that it will be easy for you, you can understand. And खाली आपको ये वीडियो नहीं देखना, that is not enough, तो you should use the dictionary also, ठीक. So when you use the dictionary you can understand the meanings. Surely you have to use the dictionary. लेकिन you people are not reading the textbook itself, then how will you use the dictionary? When you read the textbook, when you use the dictionary, then only you can understand English. So now you're 5th standard, आपको at least 20% भी आपको नहीं मालूम है इंग्लिश में, क्या करूँ. Next when you go for 6th standard, then you will suffer a lot, no? So you just have a habit of reading and using the dictionary, okay? So just read this. Actually you have to see the videos, watch the videos and read the textbook. And in online session, if you have any doubt, you can then only ask. You are not watching the video, you are not reading the textbook, then how will you have a doubt? तो आपको कैसा doubt होगा? Whatever I ask you in the online session, you are just nodding your head. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. No ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am. That's it. Nah, that's all. You're not asking any questions, no doubts for you. Why no doubts? You're not reading, correct? Whatever I ask, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. No ma'am, no ma'am. यही है आपका आंसर, तो यही है in online class, ठीक. So if you do like this, मतलब in exam you will get low marks only. Okay, so don't follow this. At least hereafter try to read in your home. Got it? Yeah, so let us continue. When Hoja returned at the king's court, he was greeted with garlands and loud cheers. So Goja, what did you learn in India? Did you find true wisdom? Asked the king. Okay, so what happened? When Hoja arrived the king's court, no, when he came to the king's court, so everyone greeted मतलब welcomed, ठीक है, greeted मतलब welcomed. तो यहाँ you can write also, you can underline in your book greeted and you can write welcome, ठीक. So he was welcomed with garlands. Garlands मतलब flower. So we won't say flower like that, we won't say, the pronunciation is flower. FLOWER. pronunciation क्या है? flower है. तो he was greeted, welcomed with flower and loud cheers. Loud cheers मतलब they are, no, in happiness, they are welcoming with happiness, in happiness. Get inside, come on, welcome. Like that we used to say, no, we will shout, no, in happiness. So if running race is there, matlab you will cheer up your friends, no, in any race, in any competition you will shout and you will cheer up your friends, no, like that. Here he also, Hoja was also welcomed to the court, king's court. He was also welcomed to the king's court. So Hoja, what did you learn in India? So king is asking, क्या लर्न किया इन इंडिया, व्हाट डिड यू लर्न? सो डिड यू फाइंड ट्रू विस्डम? ट्रू विस्डम Do you know what is true wisdom? Do you find it? He asked. King asked. ठीक है. Next, Hoja was stunned. ठीक है, स्टंड मैंने पहले ही बोला था ना, स्टंड का मीनिंग क्या है? सरप्राइज्ड. Was stunned. How was he to explain to the king that true wisdom could not be found? It had to be learned. He cleared his throat. I have not found true wisdom, Your Majesty, but I have learned many things that will help anyone become very wise, he said. You have failed me, thundered the king. ठीक है, तो क्या हुआ? Hoja was stunned. He was surprised when the king asked that you found what is true wisdom. ऐसे पूछा था ना, आपको मालूम है क्या? क्या आपने ढूंढा कि क्या ट्रू विस्डम है? ऐसा किंग ने पूछा. तो दैट टाइम ही वॉज सरप्राइज, ही वॉज शॉक्ड. तो ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू से. तो सी how was he to explain to the king that true wisdom could not be found? We can't search true wisdom. ढूंढने, we can't what ढूंढने का चीज नहीं है वो. तो it is not a thing to search it. It had to be learned. We have to learn it. मैंने अभी बोला था ना, आपको भी इंग्लिश लर्न करना है. तो कैसा लर्न करोगे? यू हैव टू रीड द टेक्स्ट बुक. ठीक है, यू हैव टू यूज़ द डिक्शनरी फॉर फाइंडिंग द मीनिंग्स. देन आपको इंग्लिश में बात भी करना है. व्हेन यू रीड ऑटोमेटिकली यू कैन एबल टू स्पीक ऑल्सो. ठीक है, तो आपको इंग्लिश में बात भी करना है, तब इंग्लिश आएगा. लेकिन नहीं आएगा, आई डोंट नो मुझे नहीं मालूम है मतलब नहीं आएगा. Okay, so like that he said it had to be learned. हमको सीखना है, लर्न करना है. He cleared his throat. ये पहले ही मैंने बोला था फर्स्ट लेसन में. He cleared his throat मतलब like that they are making the noise, no, like that he said. And he said in a loud voice, I have not found true wisdom. मैंने true wisdom को found नहीं किया. Your Majesty मतलब your authority in your king, your authority, because वो king है ना, या तो in your authority, in your majesty. But I have learnt many things. लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा things मैंने learn किया है, तो वो दूसरे को it will be useful, use होगा. Like that he said. See, anyone become very wise. So whatever things I say, no, that they can listen and they will also become wise, he said. Okay, तो मैंने वो ढूंढ नहीं किया. I didn't find that wisdom, but I know some things, that things can make others wise. ठीक है, इंटेलिजेंट. वाइज मैंने बोला ना पहले लेसन में, इंटेलिजेंट, दैट विल मेक अदर्स इंटेलिजेंट. नॉलेज. ओके, तो क्या हुआ नेक्स्ट? यू हैव फेल्ड मी. तो तूने मुझे चीट किया, फेल किया. थंडर्ड द किंग. किंग ने हैज अ शाउट, ही शाउटेड. गॉट इट? एंड देन नेक्स्ट सी. सो पिक्चर फर्स्ट आई हैव गिवन द पिक्चर. नेक्स्ट द paragraph is, Hoja thought quickly. Your Majesty, I have written down all you need to know about wisdom on this piece of paper. Saying this, he handed the king the folded slip of paper that his mother had given him. ठीक है, see, I am reading very slowly so that you should understand and you should know the pronunciation. इसलिए मैं very slowly I am reading. आपको मालूम है ना, in online class also, because already here I have read. So in online classes, if time is less, मतलब I'll read quickly. So this for you I am reading slowly. So listen to these videos. Okay, when you listen you can also read it. So try to read also again. सो व्हाट हैपन, किंग ने बोला था ना तूने मुझे फेल किया, तो इसलिए he thought quickly and said, your majesty, see I have written whatever you need, आपको क्या भी चाहिए ना, तो that I have written about wisdom के बारे में I have written in this paper. So saying this, ऐसे बोला, and he gave that paper, folded slip of paper, ठीक है, fold हुआ था वो paper, तो that paper he gave to the king. Actually that paper his mother gave him, मैंने बोला था ना his mother gave him. See, this paper, it was folded. Actually his mother wrote no carrots like that, his mother wrote and gave to him. But when the king said that you have failed me, you didn't search true wisdom. When the king said like this and got angry, this Nasruddin, so he gave this paper to king. So let us see what happens later. The king gathered all the courtiers. Nasruddin Hoja had just returned from the great land of India. He has found out what true wisdom is about and has written it down on this paper. We will now read it out to you. Listen carefully so that you too may become wise like him. Saying this, the king opened the slip of paper. Instantly his face grew red and angry. He looked sharply at Hoja. Okay, what happened? So when the paper was given to the king, that time king gathered all the courtiers. There some people will be there now with the king. See, here people are there now, so they are called as courtiers. ठीक है, ये courtiers है. तो king called everyone. Gathered मतलब for the prayer you are gathering now, get together. तो बुलाया था king ने बुलाया था सबको. So he called everyone and said that Nasruddin Hoja has returned from a great land of India. From India he has returned and he knows what is true wisdom. He found what is true wisdom and he has written in this paper. ये पेपर में लिखा है true wisdom क्या है, वो पेपर में लिखा है. तो now I will read it. You listen carefully. So you all will also become wise person, intelligent person. Has this Nasruddin is wise because he found what is wisdom. So you will also listen this paper. I will read, you will also listen this paper and you will also become wise like him. ऐसे बोला था, king ने बोला, ठीक है. So when he opened the slip now, he got very angry. Intensely मतलब immediately at the time his face became red and angry. He looked sharply at Hoja. Hoja को देखा था sharply. Let us see why he saw sharply. I asked you for true wisdom and you give me a paper with the word carrots on it. If you are trying to make a fool of me, I will have you imprisoned. I will have you imprisoned. Hoja explain yourself. ठीक है, तो क्या हुआ, राजा ने बोला, किंग ने बोला कि मैंने पूछा ट्रू विस्डम क्या है, मैंने क्यों विस्डम के बारे में पूछा, लेकिन यू आर गिविंग द पेपर. इन दैट पेपर कैरेट्स आर रिटन लाइक दिस. मैंने बोला था ना, या लाइक दिस. सो दिस ही गेव. So it is written like this. So whether you are trying to make me fool. So you are trying to make me fool. So if you do like that, I will present you. Present मैंने बोला था ना in new words. Jailed, present, ठीक है. So I will put in jail. So you have to explain about this. Yourself, you explain this. King said. So let us see what he is explaining. Hoja smiled. I bowed before the king and said, Your Majesty, I would never insult you. I wrote the word carrots on that slip of paper because I feel that It describes true wisdom perfectly. ठीक, क्या बोला? So उसने स्माइल किया, हो जा ने स्माइल किया and he bowed. We will bow down, no? We will bend down, no, towards the king. So he bent down towards the king and said, in your authority, in your majesty, I won't insult you. I never insult you. I have written carrots on the slip because I felt that it describes true wisdom perfectly. So carrot describes, कैरेट सेज ट्रू डिस्क्राइब. मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला ना, डिस्क्राइब मतलब सेज, स्ट्रेट्स, स्टेट, ठीक है, स्टेट्स. सो सेज, स्टेट्स, वेल टेकिंग ग्रामर, ठीक है, लेस देन वन ग्रामर, वेल टेकिंग मैंने बोला स्टेट्स. डिस्क्राइब मतलब डिस्क्राइबिंग एडजेक्टिव, डिस्क्राइबिंग द एडवर्ब बोला था ना. तो ही स्टेट्स, ही डिस्क्राइब्स दैट कैरेट सेज, carrot describes, carrot क्या states the true wisdom perfectly. इसलिए मैंने ऐसा लिखा था. in paper I have written as carrot. So let us see what happens the next. The court looked at him curiously. curiously मैंने न्यू वर्ड्स में बोला था, with curious, with interest, ठीक है, with interest. Hoja continued, you see, true wisdom is like a carrot crop. The best part is buried under the ground where no one can see it. If they are left in the ground for a long time and the carrot will be destroyed. It takes an experienced farmer to look at the green leaves on top and decide when the crop is ready for harvesting. क्या हुआ? See, क्या बोला था? Yes, तो everyone in court, no, everyone looked in interest, with curiosity. होजा continued saying, क्या कंटिन्यू किया थी, क्या कंटिन्यू किया? You see, true wisdom is like a carrot crops. क्या बोला? True wisdom is like a carrot crops. So best part है ना, तो good part it is buried under the ground. buried आपको मालूम है ना, buried under the ground it is put. best part, good part, and no one can see it. We can't see the best part if they are left in the ground for too long, and if it is buried, left matlab in underground itself, if it is left for long time without considering, if we leave matlab it will become bad, it will destroyed, ठीक है, it will be destroyed, it will become bad. So it takes an experienced farmer, so it takes, we should have an experienced farmer to see the green leaves. तो carrots will be down of the earth, ठीक है, down of the earth, underground it will be, and only the leaves will be top of the land. तो only a good farmer, experienced farmer can only see the leaves of the top, and he should only take a decision. He should only decide, he can only decide that the crops is ready for harvesting or not. ठीक है. So if you and I, whether we both know how to, when to harvest, how to take, when to take the carrot, हमको मालूम है क्या? नहीं. तो only a good farmer, experienced farmer, only they know. Okay, when you don't know a work and if you do that work matlab it will be failed. Okay, we should first know the work, we should have the knowledge of the work, then only we can do that in a correct manner. So farmer can only harvest, you know, we can't harvest. If we harvest matlab there won't be any vegetables, there won't be any fruits or vegetables, it won't be in a good condition. So he says that carrot is like that. So good parts of the carrots are buried in the ground and only leaves are left on the ground. So only leaves we can see, no, we can't see the carrot because carrot is underground. Yeah, so only leaves we can see, and good farmer, experienced farmer can only identify, can only decide when to harvest. So carrot is like that. So as the carrot is like that, wisdom is also like that. He's saying, see, listen. But what does this have to do with wisdom? So the king is asking, what is the relationship of this harvesting, carrot, farmer and wisdom? मैंने wisdom के बारे में पूछा and you are saying this like that. King is asking. One asked one confused courtier ने पूछा, ठीक है. One confused courtier, has Hoja passed for breath मैंने बोला था ना, wait. He waited for a minute, for some minute, or for a while. Then he replied, my dear friend, in the same way, only an intelligent person can recognize true wisdom, which is often invisible. Just like the carrots, if you don't seek wisdom at the right time, it will go to waste. मैंने बोला था ना, it will become waste if we don't know how to harvest and when to harvest, and we do that, matlab it will be wasted. So we can't do that. A farmer can only do that. And finally, just like a donkey could run after carrots, we have found that there are many fools who think wisdom can be found easily. They don't know the truth. ठीक है. So what he is saying? So he is saying to his friend, intelligent person can only recognize what is true wisdom. They can only feel, they can only recognize what true wisdom is, because true wisdom is invisible. We can't see that. We should just recognize. As abstract noun मैंने बोला था ना, abstract noun याद है क्या? We can't see, we can't touch, लेकिन we can only feel that. So wisdom भी ऐसा है, knowledge भी ऐसा है. We can't see the knowledge, we can't touch the knowledge, we can just feel the knowledge. ठीक है. So just like carrots, if you don't seek wisdom as at the right time, it will be waste. So carrot also be harvested in a right time. Same thing. So knowledge, wisdom should also be known. We should also search it at the right time, or else it will also become waste. And finally, just like a donkey, so who'd run after carrots. So donkeys are running after the carrots. Donkeys eat carrots, no? So they are running after the carrots. Same thing, many fools are also there. They think that wisdom can found easily. So in people, some fools are there, like a donkey. In people, human beings, some fools are there. They are running after the wisdom. They think that we can found wisdom easily. They don't know the truth. Okay, so what the truth is? We can't find it. We should learn it. ठीक है. मैंने पहले बोला था ना, we should learn it. We can't find that. We can't search that. See the next. The court was silent when Hoja finished speaking. What will the king do to Hoja now? Remarked some of the courtiers. ठीक है. So everyone were silent. They were listening to his speech. So after Hoja finished talking, they were thinking that what king will do for him, because he gave the meaning for the wisdom. No, so what is wisdom? How can we found wisdom? Like that, he gave the meaning. He explained. So everyone are thinking what king will do for Hoja. Let us see what he does. The king rose from his throne and came towards Hoja. I am very sorry for not trusting you. You have helped us realize that wisdom cannot be found. It has to be earned. It has to be earned through constant learning. Please help us continue. Please help us continue to learn in our daily lives. Saying this, he hugged Hoja. ठीक है. What happens? तो ही रोज मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला था, रोज मतलब पास्ट टेंस ऑफ राइज. ठीक है. तो ही गॉट अप फ्रॉम हिज थ्रोन in his place, no, the chair. From that the king got up and he went towards Hoja. Near the Hoja he went. The Hoja should not come, ठीक है, because it is a proper noun. तो he went near Hoja and he said I am very sorry for trusting मतलब for believing, ठीक है। तो यहाँ not trusting दिया है, तो not मतलब not believing, I am sorry for not believing you, so you have helped us to realize what the wisdom is. तो what the wisdom is you have said, and you have said wisdom cannot be found, we can't find the wisdom, we should learn it through constant learning. How can we search wisdom? How can we get, so we can't search wisdom, we can only get wisdom. How? Constant learning बोला था ना, constant मतलब continuous learning. Okay, how will you become knowledge, how will you become wise? Through continuous learning. So please help us to learn in our daily life, like that he said, help us to learn in our daily life. And he hugged. Okay, that evening Hoja went home happily with a rich reward in his pocket. But can you guess what he forgot? मैंने पहले ही बोला था ना, Hoja is a forgettable person, तो इसीलिए his mother wrote in a paper that carrots, his mother said no, in a roadside carrots will be there, so buy and come carrots, लेकिन he will forget, that's why in a paper his mother wrote carrots. See, evening, so that evening he went to home happily. See, with rich reward मतलब क्या, some prize, some reward, prize reward मतलब some prize, some gift king gave Hoja. So he kept that in a pocket, he went, लेकिन what happened, he forgot one thing. क्या? Carrots. मम्मा ने बोला था ना, carrots, buy income carrots, so he forgot the carrots. Understood? So just go through the lessons. पहले first you have to read the lesson, watch the video, and then read the book also. Okay, so this is very easy, you can understand. If you have interest, you can understand. Whatever work you do, whether writing work or studying work or reading work, आपको वो interest you should have. With interest you do, it will be easy. Without interest you do, nah, it won't be easy. ठीक है? So read it with interest, watch the video with interest. Okay, yeah, thank you, bye bye, be safe at home.